Join me as I take on the challenge of mastering CPA marketing from scratch and show you my step-by-step journey to success in 2024. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about something really exciting, CPA marketing. Specifically, we're going to dive into the world of cost per action marketing and explore its potential for generating income in 2024. If you're new to the world of online marketing, don't worry, this video is designed specifically for beginners like you. So let's talk about the challenges that beginners face when starting with CPA marketing. One of the biggest hurdles is understanding the basics. You see, CPA marketing is a complex beast with many moving parts, and it can be overwhelming to learn everything from scratch. But don't worry, we'll break it down into simple, easy-to-understand language. Another challenge is selecting the right offers. You see, not all CPA offers are created equal, and some can be complete duds. So it's essential to know what to look for when choosing an offer. We'll cover that later in this video. For now, let's just say that it's crucial to do your research and not rush into anything. A third challenge is creating effective landing pages. You see, a landing page is the first impression people get of your offer, and it needs to be compelling enough to make them take action. But how do you create a landing page that converts like crazy? We'll get to that in a bit. Finally, traffic generation is another significant challenge. You see, you can have the best offer and landing page in the world, but if you can't drive traffic to it, you're not going to make any money. So, we'll cover some effective traffic generation methods that work in 2024. Now that we've covered some of the common challenges beginners face, let's dive into the key components of CPA marketing. The first thing you need to do is choose a niche. You see, a niche is a specific area of interest, and it's essential to choose one that you're passionate about and has a large audience. The next step is finding reliable CPA networks. You see, CPA networks act as a bridge between you and the advertisers, and they're crucial to your success. But not all CPA networks are created equal, and some are complete scams. So we'll cover how to find reliable networks that pay on time. Another key component is creating effective landing pages. You see, a landing page is the first impression people get of your offer, and it needs to be compelling enough to make them take action. We'll cover some tips and tricks for creating landing pages that convert like crazy. Traffic generation is another crucial component of CPA marketing. You see, you can have the best offer and landing page in the world, but if you can't drive traffic to it, you're not going to make any money. We'll cover some effective traffic generation methods that work in 2024, including Facebook ads, Google ads, and native ads. Here's a proven strategy that can significantly enhance your success in CPA marketing: tracking your results. You see, tracking your results is crucial to understanding what's working and what's not. By tracking your results, you can optimize your campaigns and increase your ROI. Another key strategy is to focus on mobile traffic. You see, mobile traffic is becoming increasingly popular, and it's essential to optimize your campaigns for mobile devices. We'll cover some tips and tricks for creating mobile-friendly landing pages and ads. A third strategy is to build an email list. You see, an email list is a valuable asset that can generate income for years to come. We'll cover some effective ways to build an email list and monetize it. Finally, it's essential to stay up to date with the latest trends and changes in the CPA marketing industry. You see, the industry is constantly evolving, and it's crucial to stay ahead of the curve. To recap, in this video, we covered the basics of CPA marketing, common challenges beginners face, and key components of CPA marketing, including choosing a niche, finding reliable CPA networks, creating effective landing pages, and traffic generation methods. We also revealed some proven strategies for enhancing success in CPA marketing, including tracking results, focusing on mobile traffic, building an email list, and staying up to date with the latest trends. Thanks for watching. And if you have any questions, please comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more content on CPA marketing and check out my next video on advanced CPA strategies. See you in the next video.